I'm going to show you the easiest way to shift a manual truck transmission, and we're going to start right now.
Do this. All right. Making a right at the intersection. Remember, you need to get off the gas when you switch to the next gear. And downshift back to 7, 25, right? Clutch neutral, gas gear, and then gas gear. Just give it gas, get off, and then gear, okay? Don't force the gear with the gas on. Right turn here, clutch all the way. Clutch, kill it. Reset back, you're gonna start on 7. Steady, steady guys, bro. I know you got a heavy foot, but you gotta make it lighter really fast, right? You cannot push the gas all the way. You're gonna get bouncing, you don't wanna do that. Easy, easy guys. Flip it over to 6, good job. Let's go to 7, 1, 2, beautiful. Let's go to 8, 1, 2. Yep. Remember, we only want to tap on the clutch, right? Looks like we got a red light. Let's start downshifting, bro. Downshift to 25. You do that, but put the clutch. Wait, get closer. Get closer, otherwise you're going to be too slow.
Which way, right or left?
We're going to go straight, my friend.
Straight up.
Go ahead and start working towards the 6th gear. What's 6th gear? 15. More guys. There you go, beautiful. Always works toward a lower gear as you approach a complete stop, right? Are you sure that's 4?
Let me double check. Now
Okay.
it is. You're right. God, how can you tell the... No, you gotta move over.
That's right.
Feel the looseness. Alright.
The reason why I asked is because you went right straight through.
Yeah.
I didn't see any
went
motion,
directly up.
right? Any motions like this. All right, let's go. Bring it to 5. Off the gas, my man. You gotta get off the gas when you're changing the gears, right? 1, 2. You have 2 whole seconds before, as soon as you let go of that gas. Ready? 1, 2, and then gas, right? You're giving it gas right now, right? That's what you do. Off the gas, 1, 2, and gas, right? One process to the next process. Don't do it all in the same time, okay? No clutch and gas at the same time. All right. What is this, 8? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bring it to 9.
Bring it to 9.
1, 2, beautiful. Downshift back to 8. Downshift to 35.
35.
You got it already, bro. Clutch neutral. Beautiful. That's it.
Want me to downshift more?
Downshift to 25.
Alright, here we go.
What's 25?
Now.
7. Good job. Go back up the gears. Remember, as soon as you engage the lower gear, don't give it gas because you are slowing down, right?
So ease off the gas.
That's right. After you change the gear, no gas because you are slowing down. Downshift is slowing down. Instead, use your brakes to get to the next lower gear.
I'm so easily, and now it's second nature to upshift, and
You're doing,
my
yeah.
foot goes,
Right to the gas, right? After you downshift, yeah.
but-
It's backwards. You try to work backwards from there, right?
Yes.
Forward, yes, you use the gas at the end. When you downshift it, you're going back down. So no gas after the shift. Yes. Clutch neutral, gas, and then brakes. And then brakes. See what I mean? It's the opposite. So you can work towards 6, right?
Yes.
Clutch neutral, gas 6. You're not gonna do it?
No, I'm waiting for the stop.
Let's make a left.
Now I'm gonna do it later.
It's okay. For your test, only do 1 or 2 shifts per light. Maybe one's only is enough, okay? Don't try to overkill it. I'm gonna make you practice though, a lot.
Yes, sir.
But that doesn't apply for your test, okay?
All right. I need it. All
Yeah.
right. Well, I'm in gear, I know it's 4.
Yes, sir. That's right. Okay.
Question. In the middle of going forward to make my left, can I shift gears? I've asked you that before. I heard that
You can quickly change the gear before you commit to the turn.
cool. So it's perfectly
Not on
fine.
the curve. You're on the curve, your hands should be in the wheels, okay? You can go to 5 right now before you change. 1, 2, grab your steering wheel, control your chuck. That's it, okay?
Back on the plane.
All right, you're gonna find yourself back over to the right, okay?
Okay.
Be careful.
Going over?
Not yet, make sure you're clear.
Not now.
Stay here for now.
All right.
Go to the next gear. It's okay, you can pick up the speeds here. All right?
A few inches later.
When it's clear, you move over. If it's grinding, don't do it again, bro. Relax. Look,
Right.
you see that? What speed is that?
It is at 15. So
What?
6.
There you go, guys. 6.
All right.
6.
Gas.
6 is that way. There you go.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Don't fight with it, bro. Look, get rid of all this so that doesn't happen. All this is free play, right? Hold it at the end. 1, 2. See what I mean? Get rid of the free play. Let me see you get rid of the free play now.
Okay.
There you go. Look, right here. Hold it at the end.
Hold it.
That's the end, right? After that, it's just neutral, right?
Yeah.
So go to 9. Ready?
9.
1, 2. See? When you get rid of all this,
I know.
all this is travel time. You don't need, right?
Okay.
So instead, hold it right at the end.
Hold it at the end.
Yeah, look, this is all the way in, right?
Yes.
What's the end? The end is right here.
The end is there.
After that, it's just neutral. So use this, kill all this, kill it.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? Hold it at the end, and that's
Hold it at the very
Yeah,
end. before
yeah.
you make a move.
exactly.
right.
All right, you're in neutral. Be careful. You got out of gear. You see how easy it goes out of here?
Yes, sir.
Here, look at the
Go
speed.
eight.
Look at the
Go
speed.
eight.
There you go. Where's the gas? Where's the gas? Too
Oh.
much.
Oh,
Look.
gas.
Hold on, bro.
Hold it.
Leave it alone.
Okay.
Right? Let's go to 7 now because we're going slower. Gas, 7. Straight up. You lost it. Do it again. That's 9. That's 9.
Ah,
Get out of gear. Get out of 9. It's okay.
out of 9.
Go back to neutral, right? You're still at 7. Straight up.
7.
That grinding was reversed.
Ah,
Don't do this. Don't look for it. It's
Okay.
right in the middle.
Right in the middle. I
Right.
was trying to do the palm.
You're looking for it. You're not gonna find it. Leave it alone. Push it up. 7 is this is gonna go to the center on its own.
Right.
So all you need to do is push it up. Yeah, go straight down. 1, 2. There you go. Right. You need to relax your arms when you grab the shifter.
Okay.
You cannot grab it like this, right? From all the way over here, look how easy I can change the gear for you. Go. I'm gonna go to 9. Give it gas. Give it gas. No. Give it gas. Let go of the gas. Come on, bro. No gas. No
Okay.
gas. You see how easy I change the gear?
Yes.
So if I can do it that easy, don't force it, okay? Don't grab it like this.
Go easy.
All right, go ahead and downshift back to 8.
Now shift back to 8. Here we go.
There you go. Slow down. You need to get off the gas, right? Get off the gas. Because you got to work towards 7, right?
Right.
So keep braking, keep braking.
Going.
Keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. There you go. Close neutral. Gas, more gas, more gas. Relax.
Eventually.
Gas, gear.
7.
Relax, bro.
add
If you miss the gear, don't go in again because you're not going to get it in. Go to the left. If you mix the gear, you missed it, right? Don't go 3 more times. That's not going to get you in. Figure out what's going on. Leave it in neutral. That's fine. It's fine to be in neutral. Go rev the engine and put it back in.
Easy does it. All right.
Left turn.
I'll stay the course on the
All right. We're gonna practice a missed gear. Go. Go to 5. Go.
gears. Yep.
Go to 6.
All right. Oh.
Too much gas. I'm trying to make you practice a lost gear, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna cuss it. Cuss the lost gear so you can practice get it in. Go. Give it gas. And we're gonna go to 8, okay?
All right. Going there.
Ready? Lost the gear. Get in gear.
Go up.
That's it. No. No more than 15. Right in the middle. Right in the middle.
15.
No. That's not what I mean, bro. The RPMs don't bring it any more than 50. Too much. Go to 7. Boom. Go.
7.
Get the needle to the middle. 10 to 15 is where you want to be. Once you get that, put it into gear. Okay? All right, you lost it. Get back in gear.
So I'm going to 6.
Relax, relax. It's okay, look, relax. Get that needle, RPM, between 10 to 15 and put it in 7. Right there, put it in 7. 10 to 15, you let it drop, right? That's why it's not going in.